To find your size, all you'll need is 3 measurements: your bust, your waist, and your hips. To measure your bust, what you're going to do is take your tape measure around your back. It's really important to keep it straight all the way across your body and parallel with the floor. You're going to measure the fullest part of your bust, and where your tape measure meets, that will be your bust measurement. Your waist measurement is typically about 1 inch above the belly button. If you need help finding your natural waist, what you'll do is stand straight, bend to one side. You'll notice a crease in your stomach, and at that exact spot is where you will want to measure. Again, keeping the tape measure parallel with the floor and straight all the way around, that will be your waist measurement. Next is your hips. For your hips, you're going to want to measure the fullest part of your hips and your bum. It helps if you turn to the side. You can see the fullest part of your bum that way. Again, parallel to the floor, straight all the way across, and that is your hip measurement. We'll need 3 measurements: your bust, your waist, and your hips. For the most accurate measurement of your bust, be sure that you're wearing an unpadded bra. You will make a T with your arms. Your tape measure will go around the back and around the fullest part of your bust. It's really important here to keep the tape measure parallel with the floor and straight all the way across the body. Without pulling too tight, where that tape measure meets, that will be your bust measurement. For the waist, same thing. If you need help finding your natural waist, what you'll do is stand straight forward, make a little bend to the side. You'll notice a crease in your stomach, and that will be the exact spot that you want to measure. So once you've found that spot, again, go around the back, straight and parallel all the way across the body. Where it meets, that will be your waist measurement. Lastly is the hips. What you want to measure for your hips is the widest part of your hips and your bum. So when we're measuring clients in store, what we have them do is turn to the side so that we can see that fullest part. We'll take it around the body, again, straight and parallel, and where that tape measure meets, that will be your hip measurement.